Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get verified on YouTube. Verification gives your channel a badge that helps viewers know your account is authentic. First, let's talk about the requirements and how to apply for verification. Now, let's get started. On your YouTube dashboard, to verify your account, open a new tab and type studio.youtube.com. This will take you directly to the settings. Once you're here, click on Settings. Now, in the Settings, click on Channel. In the Channel section, we move on to the next step. Here, click on Featured Eligibility. The first thing we need to check is the standard features. We will go through this together. For the verification section, we will need to complete phone verification. We have to verify using a phone number. Just click on Verify Phone, and we will be prompted to verify. Enter a phone number here, select your country, and then enter your phone number. Once that is done, we will be eligible for this step. The last thing to verify is a valid ID and channel history. Here, we will verify with a valid ID and channel history. We need to have a minimum of 100,000 subscribers to be verified. Next, enter a valid ID. And once we submit everything, we will need to wait for YouTube to verify the account. After we are verified, we will see the badge. The account is now verified, and that's it. We have successfully learned how to apply for verification on YouTube. Keep creating great content and growing the channel to meet the requirements.